Hello students, welcome to this class. Today we are going to discuss number conversion. So we'll be going to discuss number conversions. In the previous classes we discussed about the different number system that are used in a computer system. So what were the different number system? The number system that the computer understands is binary number system. So we learned about that. Binary means 0 and 1, right? There are only two symbols or only two digits. So it is called as a binary number system. So with these two digits, uh, we can represent any number, or we can represent a number of any value. Okay, so that is why it is called binary number system, since it has only two digits or symbols to represent any number. So another number system we studied about is decimal number system. So decimal number system are the numbers that we use generally in day-to-day life, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, this way, right? So in this number system, we have 10 symbols or 10 digits. So this 10 digits, since it has 10 digits, that is why it is called decimal number system. Deci means 10. We studied earlier. Deci means 10. Okay. So then another number system we studied about is octal number system. Oct means how much? Oct means 8. So this number system has only 8 symbols or 8 digits. So with these 8 digits, we can represent any number with any value. Okay. So another number system we studied is hexadecimal number. So hexa means 6. I told you earlier hexa means 6 and deci means 10, right? So total 16 digits or 16 symbols are there in this number system, and with these 16 symbols we represent any number, or we represent a number of any value. Okay, so how does this hexadecimal goes? From 0 to 9, like that, our decimal number system. Decimal number system on 0 to 9 lage jay. Then after that we use the symbol A to F. Okay, after F what will come? After F 10 will come, then 11, then 12. Again this way it will go till 1F. Then after that what will happen? 20 will come. So this way we represent any number. Okay, so these were the different number systems that we discussed in our previous classes. So today we will be discussing the number conversion, that is to convert one number system to another number system. Okay, so first of all we'll be seeing decimal to binary. First of all I'll show you, suppose this is binary, this is decimal number system, this is octal number system, and this is hexadecimal number system. We'll be seeing how to convert binary into decimal, then again decimal into binary. Then we will be seeing how to convert binary into octal, and again octal into binary. Similarly, we'll be seeing how to convert decimal into hexadecimal and hexadecimal into decimal. We'll be seeing how to convert decimal to octal and octal to decimal as well. So we'll also be seeing this octal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to octal. Again, we will be saying how to convert binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary. Okay, we'll be seeing all of this. Okay, so first of all, we'll try to understand how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. Okay, so we'll be seeing this part only for now. How to convert decimal number to a binary number. Okay, so how to convert a decimal number into a binary number? Suppose we have this 106. We'll first look at the example. So what is happening over here? So how do you convert it? So first read these lines. The conversion of decimal to binary can be done by repeated division method. So repetitively it is being divided, right? In this method, the number is divided by 2 and its remainders recorded. So remainders are recorded over here. Okay. The final binary result is obtained by assembling all the remainders. So the final result is obtained by assembling all these remainders. Okay. So in order to learn all this number system, first of all, we need to know that 10 to the base 2 is not equal to 10 to the base 10. Okay. 10 to the base 2 is not equal to 10 to the base 10. Is it so? Yes, it is. 10 to the base 2 মানে কিমান? 10 to the base 2 মানে এইটো এটা কি হয়? This is a binary number and this is a decimal number. This is a binary number and this is a decimal number. That is why 10 to the base 2 is not equal to 10 to the base 10. Okay? So 10 to the base 2 মানে কিমান? 10 to the base 2 মানে আসলতে decimaler 2 to the base 10. কেনেকৈ convert কৰি সেইখিনি চাব লাগিব আমি. We need to discuss that thing only. So here, as you can see, I'm writing some base. Okay? I'm telling you that this is the base. So what is base? Base মানে কি? Base মানে the total number of symbols that are there in the particular number system. So in binary number system, how many symbols are there? 2. That is why we call the base of binary as 2. Again, in decimal number system, how many symbols are there? There are 10 symbols. So the base of decimal is 10. So when we write 10, we need to write whether it is 2 or whether it is 10 or whether it is 10 to the base 8 or whether it is 10 to the base 16. We need to write this. This base is very important. বেসটো তোমালোকে লিখিবই লাগিব নাম্বাৰ সিস্টেমৰ যেতিয়া যিকোনো অংক কৰিবা বা যিকোনো কামত নাম্বাৰ সিস্টেম ইউজ কৰিবা দেন ইউ হ্যাভ টু ৰাইট দ্য বেস ফৰ শিওৰ ওকে বেসটো তোমালোকে লিখিবই লাগিব ইট ইজ কম্পালসৰি আদাৰৱাইজ your total sum will be wrong okay so let's discuss this number 106 we will try to convert 106 to the base 10 into binary number okay so 106 decimal to first of all we will try to do this decimal to binary okay so decimal to binary what is our number 106 106 what is the base kiman hoy base is 10 okay base is 10 so 106 equal to how much we need to convert it into we have to convert it into binary so how will you write it sorry I'll write this okay I'll write b directly so we need to convert it into a binary number right so how will you convert it first of all you need to know that this 10 is the base of 106 right so first of all what we will do we will write like this 106 so what we will do you have to divide it by 2 we need to do repetitive division right 106 divided by 2 so how much will be first of all we will try to solve this okay 2 we'll try to divide 1 no it doesn't go so we cannot divide 1 by 2 so we'll take these two numbers so 2 5s are 10 right so 2 5s are 10 6 2 3s are 6 so how much will be remainder remainder will be 0 right remainder will be 0 again we'll do what again we will divide it by 2 so what we'll get 2 2 2s are 4 1 3 2 6s are 12 so we'll get 26 so what will be the remainder will be 1 okay কেনেকৈ লিখিলো এইটো 2 26 are how much 52 so remainder will be 1 okay then again we have to divide it until we get 0 over here okay আমি তেতিয়ালৈকে divide কৰিলো যেতিয়ালৈকে এইটো আমি 0 নাপাওঁ ঠিক আছে so we'll divide it again by 2 so 2 1s are 2 2 3s are 6 so remainder will be 0 okay so these are the remainders we are recording it again 2 6 is 12 how much is the remainder 1 again 2 3 is 6 how much is the remainder 0 again 2 1s are 2 how much is the remainder 1 so can you divide 1 further no you cannot so you have to write the answer this from this order in this order okay so what will be the answer of it then the answer will be wait the answer will be how much equals okay equal to how much will be the answer will be 110 1010 okay answer 1101010 the answer will be this one so we have to write the base as well right base to লিখিব লাগিব the base is 2 okay sorry we'll make this a little bit bigger so base is 2 so 106 to the base 10 how much 110 1010 okay decimal to binary all right so let's try to convert it back to decimal okay and before looking at that I'll show you another example okay I'll show you another example then we'll go to this what I got 1101 okay that's the answer this is correct then decimal fractions to binary when there is fractional numbers then how can we convert it suppose this is 22.50 we'll try to convert this as well so here there is a slight mistake so it shouldn't have been this line is incorrect because we have only dot 50 okay so this is correct okay so we'll try to solve this number all right so let's see 22.50 so what is the number we have 22.50 I'll increase the font size a bit 22.50 to the base how much 10 okay all right 22.50 to the base 10 this is a decimal number we need to convert it into what we need to convert it into binary number right we need to convert it into a binary number so how you will do that first of all we will convert this first part what is the first part this first part 22 as we have converted it here okay ইয়াতে যেনেকৈ convert কৰি ঠিক তেনেকৈ আমি 22 part to convert কৰিম so how will convert it 22 let's make the font a little bit bigger so that you can make it out properly 22 divided by 2 okay so how much it will be 11 what is the remainder 0 we will divide it again 2 so 2 5s are 10 okay how much will be the remainder 1 we will divide it again 2 2 2s are 4 how much is the remainder 1 we will divide it again 2 1s are 2 how much is the remainder 0 So what will be this part value? The value of this part will be the value of this part will be how much? Just wait, let's make it bigger. Okay, 10110. Sorry. The value of this part is 10110. Now let's try to calculate this part. Okay. Now let's try to calculate this part. Okay. Dot 50. So dot 50, how you will calculate? Dot 50. Let's make the color different. Dot 50. Okay. Dot 50. So we will multiply this by 2. Okay. Multiply this by 2. We'll multiply this by 2. And what you will get? 0.50 into 2 is 1.00. Okay. So the remainder here, not remainder actually, the digit that is before the point, that comes out before the point is considered here. So it will be what? It will be 1. 1 will be considered. Okay. So the value of this will be, this is 1. Okay. Just wait. The value of this is 0.1. So how you will write it? 22.50 equal to, sorry, 50 equal to 10110.1. So here the value will be 2. So here the value will be 2 and here the base will be 2. Here the base won't be 2, right? Here the base will be how much? 10. The base will be 10 over here and it will be 2 in this part. Okay? So 22.50 equal to 10110.1. Okay? So this is how to convert a decimal number to binary number. Suppose we have this another number, like suppose we have 22.25. Okay? So how will convert this? We will convert the 22 part as same as this. Okay? We'll get this number only. Sorry. From this we'll get this number only. Then after that, from the 0.25 part, what we will do? We will just multiply it 0.25 into 2. What you will get? 0.50. You will get 0.50. So here you will write how much? 0. So we'll write 0 in here. Again, we have to calculate it again. We have to multiply it again. Point 0. Sorry. 0.50 into 2 again. So how much you will get? 1.00. You will get 1.00, right? So here your answer. So here your answer will be 1, right? Here your answer will be 1. So how you will write this? কেনেকৈ লিখিবা এইটো ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো? This value will be 0, 1. This value will be 0, 1. So we need to write in this order. এই অৰ্ডাৰটো লিখিব লাগিব ওপৰৰ পৰা তললৈ। ওকে, আগৰটো কি কৰিছিলো আমি? তলৰ পৰা ওপৰলৈ এনেকৈ লিখিছিলো, হয় নে নহয়? ইয়াত ওপৰৰ পৰা তললৈ লিখিব লাগিব। So আমি অকল এই পাৰ্টটোহে কনসিডাৰ কৰিছো ইটোৱেদি ডিভাইড কৰো আৰু ডেসিমেল পইণ্টৰ আগত যিটো আহে হেতুহে আমি লিখো ইয়াত সাইডত ওকে so we are considering this so the value of this will be how much ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো কিমান হ'ব 10110.01 okay and the base will be base to কিমান হ'ব 2 and the base will be 2 right and the base will be 2 okay this is how we do the conversion okay is it clear now clear হৈছে এতিয়া সবৰে এটো ভ্যালু এটোৰ ভ্যালু কোনটো এটোৰ ভ্যালু এটো আৰু 106 ৰ ভ্যালু এটো so I think the conversion of decimal to binary is clear for every one of you I'll give you another I'll give you some problems like question number 1 first of all let me delete all of this let me delete all of this so first of all question 1 1 so convert the decimal number into binary okay 65.125 133 oh sorry 2 133 next 3 18 point 150 okay you try to solve this all right so here the value will be 10 the base will be 10 here also the base will be 10 we know this right base is very important so you need to write in every numbers the base will be 10 so this is your homework okay this 3 is your homework or you can do it in the class as well okay so these 3 are your homework so now we will try to convert binary to decimal okay we'll try to convert binary to decimal so in order to convert binary to decimal so what you have to do suppose we have a binary number 101101 let's make it bigger suppose we have a binary number the base is always 2 right so we need to convert this into decimal so how you do that suppose we'll take a smaller number অলপ সৰু নাম্বাৰ এটা লওঁ পটককে তোমালোকক প্ৰথম দখৰ শিকাই দিম okay so 1101 so in order to convert this so what we'll do what is written in your book let's see binary to decimal in order to convert binary number into decimal equivalent the procedure is to find the product of each digit value and its positional value so what you have to do is to find the product of each digit, that is this number. We have to find the product of these digits with its positional value. This is the positional value, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1. These are the positional value of the particular digit, right? 0, 1, 2, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like this. Okay. So how you will calculate this then? So first of all, I'll show you a very easy trick. Suppose 1. You have 1. Uh, you do one thing. 1 into 2. Okay. Plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. You first write it this way. You first write it this way. Then after that, what you can do, you can just write the positional value of this. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 to the power 0 means nothing. 2 to the power 0 means 1. So 1 into 1. 1 into 1, how much? 1. 2 to the power 1 into 0. Any number into 0 is always 0. Okay. So 2 to the power 2. What is 2 to the power 2? 2 into 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2. Okay. So 2 into 2 is how much? 4. Then 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the power 3 means 8, right? So the value will be 8 plus 4 equal to 12. 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So this is the decimal equivalent of this number. Okay? This is the decimal equivalent of this number. Alright. Suppose we have this number. Write it down. Okay. Suppose we have dot 0 1. Suppose we have this number 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 dot 0 1. How you will convert this number? এইটো কেনেকৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিবা তেনেহ'লে? ইয়াতো ডট আছে হয় নহয়, fractional number. So what you will do, you will convert the first part as similar. এই পাৰ্টটো তোমালোকে এনেকৈ কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, 13 ওলালে. এই পাৰ্টটোৰ কাৰণে কি কৰিম আমি? 0 into 2 আগৰটো নিচিনাকৈ এনেকৈ লিখি লওঁ আমি প্লাছ 1 into 2 1 into 2 লিখি ল'লোঁ. ইয়াতে আমি কি দিব লাগিব? পাৱাৰটো দিব লাগিব, মানে positional value. We need to give its positional value. So what will be the positional value of this? 0. This was 0, right? So this will be minus 1. So this is minus 1. This is minus 2. Okay. So here the position value of this part is 0. This one minus 1. This one plus 1. This is minus 2. This is plus 2. This is 3, right? These are the positional values. Okay. So we have to write this part in this way. So 0 into 2 to the power minus 1. 0 into any number is always 0 plus 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means how much? 2 to the power minus 2 means, anyway, 2 to the power 2 means 4, right? 2 to the power minus 2 means 1 into 1 by 2 to the power 2. Okay. 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the power minus 2 means 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power minus 2 মানে 1 by 2 to the power 2. তেতিয়াহ'লে এইটো কিমান হ'ব ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো? This value will be 1 by 4, okay, plus 0. So 1 by 4 plus 0 equal to 0.25. 1 divided by কিমান হ'ব 0.25 হয়নে নহয়? So this answer will be the answer of this 1101.01 equals, what will be the answer? From the first part we got 13, right? 13.25. So here the base will be 2 and for this the base will be 10. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is how you can convert any binary number into a decimal number. Okay, so next we will try to discuss another conversion, that is decimal to octal. We will study this decimal to octal. So suppose this is a decimal number. This is a decimal number 20 suppose 24. Okay, this is a decimal number, so the base will be 10. The base is smaller in size, so I'll be writing it smaller. So 24 to the base 10, we need to convert it into octal number. So like we converted the decimal number into binary number, we divided it by how much? 2, right? So here you need to divide this decimal number by how much? By 8, right? Because it is an octal number, right? So 24, let's make this bigger. 24 we have to divide it by how much? 8. 8 3s are 24. So how much will be the remainder? 0. Can you divide 3 by 8? No, you cannot directly without exporting decimal number, right? So 8 3s are 24, the remainder is 0. So the octal equivalent of this number is, we have to write this way, 30 to the base 8. Okay, did you understand? Let's take another example. Suppose 134. Okay, point 134 to the base 10. Let's try to convert this. We will divide it by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 10 11 12, 4 will be there, 44. 8 5s are 40, right? How much will be the remainder? 4. Okay, then again 8 ones are 8. How much will be the remainder? 7. So the value will be 174 to the base 8. 134 to the base 10 equal to 174 to the base 8. This is the answer. Okay, did you understand now? কেনেকৈ কৰিলো গম পালানে? 134 যদি আছে প্ৰথমে 8 এ 13 টো ডিভাইড কৰি চালো, আমি 13 টো ডিভাইড কৰি চালে 8 এ এবাৰ যাব, হয় নহয়? থাকিলে কিমান? 4. 8 9 10 11 12 13 থাকিলে কিমান? 5. So 54, sorry, this is not correct, sorry, we have made a slight mistake over here. Okay, this is not correct. You made a slight calculation mistake here. So first of all, 8 ones are 8, 9 10 11 12 13, there will be 5 থাকি গ'ল হয় নাই? 54 ক কেইবাৰ যাব? 8. So 48 হ'ব, হয় নে নহয়? 6 8 6 are 48. So কিমান থাকিলে 48 49 50 আৰু এফালে 4 6 থাকিলে. Okay, now we need to divide it by how much? 8 again. So 8 2s are 16 থাকলে কিমান 0. So the answer will be 134 to the base 10 equal to 206 to the base 8. This is the correct answer. Okay, note it down. This is the correct answer. Okay, so now suppose we have a decimal number, means a fractional number. Suppose 24 dot suppose 4.375. Suppose this is the number. So the base is 8, right? The base is 8. So we need to convert this into, sorry, the base is 10, right? The base is 10 decimal number. So we need to convert it into octal number. So how you will convert? You will convert this part, first part similar to this part. The second part, what you will do, like you did in the conversion of decimal to binary, you have to multiply it by 8.375 into 8 equal to how much? So for this decimal part or the fractional part, what you have to do? You have to write, suppose 0.375, okay, into how much? 8 equal to how much? It will be 3. So what will be this value? Total value will be equal to, what was this, 24? It is 30, right? 30.3. Okay, sorry, I'll write it here, equal to 30.3. Okay, this is the value. So here we need to write the base 10, base is 10, and this base is how much? 8, right? 8. So this is this way how we convert any decimal number into octal number. Okay, so how to convert any octal number to decimal number? Octal number to decimal number convert, like we converted the binary numbers যেনেকৈ convert কৰিছিল তেনেকৈ, মানে কি কৰিম আমি? Suppose 30 আছে, হয় না? 30 টো কি কৰিম আমি? আপোনাৰ 3 into 8 plus 0 into 8. Okay, ইয়াত dot আছে, এইটো অলপ ডাঙৰ কৰি লওঁ. 3 into 8 plus 0 into 8. এফালে কি আছে? 3 আছে. 3 into 8. ইয়াৰে হেৰি ভ্যালু কিটা লিখিব লাগিব, পজিশনাল ভ্যালু কিটা লিখিব লাগিব. পয়েন্ট ডটৰ আগৰটো কি হ'ব? 0, এটো কি হ'ব? 1, এটো কি হ'ব? -1, হয়নে নহয়? Okay, we'll write this way. So here what will be the value? The value will be 0 into any number is 0. So 3 8s are 24, right? Point, this is plus, dot 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 8. So it will be how much? 3 by 8 is 375. Okay, 3 by 8 is 375 and it is 24. So the answer is what? 24.375. That is our answer, what we got from here. Okay, this is how to convert an octal number into decimal number. So likewise, if you have to convert any what hexadecimal decimal to hexadecimal number, যদি তোমালোকে ডেসিমেলৰ পৰা হেক্সাডেসিমেল নাম্বাৰলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে কি কৰিব লাগিব সেম একেই কৰিব লাগিব কিন্তু ইয়াতে জাস্ট এই 8ৰ জেগাত এই 8 বিলাক যে আছে 8 বিলাকৰ জেগাত তোমালোকে কি দিব লাগিব 16 ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব 16 ইউজ কৰিলে হৈ যাব এইটো জেগাত 16 টু দি পাৱাৰ 1 ধৰি লোৱা হা ইয়াতে 16 টু দি পাৱাৰ 0 ইয়াতে 16 টু দি পাৱাৰ -1 এনেকৈ ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে তো অকল এই ৰিপ্লেস কৰি দিলে হৈ যাব 8 ৰ লগত 16 তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমালোকে ডেসিমেলৰ পৰা হেক্সাডেসিমেল বা হেক্সাডেসিমেল টু ডেসিমেল কনভাৰ্ট কৰিব পাৰিবা অলৰাইট I think all of this is clear for you now so you practice these questions without looking okay ভিডিওটো প্ৰথমতে একবাৰ চাই ল'বা তাৰপৰ নোচোৱাকে এই কোৱেশ্চন কিটা মই যেটা ইয়াতে প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিছো এইকিটা প্ৰেক্টিস কৰি চাবা সো পিছত কিবা অসুবিধা যদি পোৱা then you can ask me okay so thank you